What is up, YouTube? Are you interested in making money online by basically banking off of somebody else's failures or even successes? If so, I guess I'm really interested to show you in my review of the Bevis producer. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go, and I am one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products, and they make me online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
For every single day you gotta do that. Do you realize how annoying that guy is? He does it all the time, every single day in and day out. Same thing. Really, really boring. Now, if the way things work here is that if I like a product, I will give it tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. I mean, see, I love this. She's a sweetheart. Who could get angry at that lady? Even though she'll say the thing every day else I should, but Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are on the sales page for the Bevis producer. No, not Bevis. Bevis. Pay attention. Anyway, seriously. So this is a very interesting method. It's different than what a lot of methods that you would see are. Because a lot of these things involve, like, they make money online niche where you're selling to other marketers and stuff like that. There's nothing to do with that. It's actually really, really simple. There's not a whole lot of work involved in it either, and it's a really interesting method. Basically, what this method is designed to do is to take advantage of someone else's initial success and then ultimate failures. And it's really, really interesting. What they do is they basically find somebody else who has had some kind of success with a t-shirt design. And by the way, you can have t-shirts designed online for very, very little. You can use Teespring. There's also a service from Amazon that you can use for this method, and they both work equally well. You can make a ton of money off of them, and there's very, very little involved in doing it. The key is getting a hot design, something that people are interested in. And what these guys have basically done was they came up with a way of saying, well, what if we found something that was hot that people kind of abandoned for whatever reason and moved on to something else? And that's basically what the method is, to find something that was once hot that people abandoned and then try to revive it with your own version of the same basic concept and bank off of that. And what I love about this method, which is very different than what you like, a lot of these times you see these income proofs like you see in front of me on the screen here. And a lot of the time, these are from people who are famous marketers who have been doing this for a long time, made a lot of money doing it. The nice thing here is that all these income proofs, they're from people you never heard of, okay? I've never heard of any of these people. I mean, obviously I've heard of Tom, I'm a friend of Tom's. But look at all these names. There are people from India that I don't know who they are. And there's one after another of actual income proofs. And I understand the method, and it actually can work quite well. This one is actually a Shopify, but you don't have to use Shopify. You can also just use Teespring, or Amazon has their own system as well. You can use, now obviously this is, I think, one of the creators of the Bevis methods. He made $200,000 doing it, okay? But these are newer. These are people who simply bought the course and actually were able to make money from this actual course. They were actually able to make sales using this method. And I do want to tell you about my custom bonuses, because I got a really, really nice bonus package to give away to you guys much better than what you're going to get from pretty much anyone else who's going to do this. Now, first of all, the vendor Tom was kind enough to let me give away a few of his top products. So I'm going to tell you about those, but I really want to tell you about my own custom bonuses because nobody else is going to give you all the bonuses that I'm going to give you. And anybody who is a regular of mine knows that I give some of the best bonuses. So Tom is letting me give away his products called Storm, another one is called Arbitrage High Roller, Lazy Profit Engine 2.0, and then make $4.97 over and over. So that's the four of his products that he's letting me give away. But I also want to tell you about my own stuff because I've got a ton of stuff to give away to you that really nobody else is going to offer to you at all. Because, well, let's face it, most people, if they're going to give you a bonus, they're just going to give you those bonuses that came from Tom. But I believe in going above and beyond. And my thinking is like this. This method is really easy to use, and they recommend using Facebook traffic. They're going to show you how to do it for very, very minimal amounts of money. But I'm just going to go above and beyond and really, really make this a no-brainer for you. So you're going to get my own Facebook traffic course as well as my Twitter and Google AdWords traffic courses. You're also getting my guide to native ads. You're getting my Instant 2 Cents traffic course. But I'm also going to do a couple other things that are really interesting. I'm giving you my Pinterest marketing guide, which is Pinterest is a great method for making money online. You can do it for free using Pinterest completely for free. A lot of people don't use it, but it's really, really a good method for making money, especially for this kind of particular thing. For t-shirts, there's 24-hour traffic machine included. My traffic secrets course is included. Social signals marketing is included. Split testing. This is really important if you want to know how to really make money off of split testing. We're basically going to go and make some minor change. This is what you really need in order to be able to make money doing this. And it's a very, very important, very powerful thing. Most people don't know about it. I'm also going to give you the Ninja blogging course, which is a high-end course all about using blogging for making money online. In addition to all that, I'm going to give you a set of motivational posters. Now, the nice thing is, like I said, these are basically all about taking t-shirt designs and using them. So I figured that some of these motivational posters are really cool motivational posters that are professionally designed. You can go ahead and use those on some t-shirts. So you kind of have a leg up on other people who are going to be offering this particular product. And then, of course, finally, I'm also, if you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give you a shout out to my over 7,000, Instagram followers. So you'll be able to basically use that as well. I'm going to show you the members area in just a minute because there's not a whole lot to see here, to be perfectly totally honest. But I'll show you the members area real quick over here. So you can see here, basically, it's going to show you exactly what they're doing, what kind of traffic they're looking for that already exists. They basically takes other people's stuff and set it up. You can see that there's no recommend Shopify store. You don't necessarily need a Shopify store. You can use Teespring as well as Amazon's print-on-demand service. And basically, it's very, very easy to use this particular method to really start making some money. You can do it as a side hustle, or you can even make this your primary method of making money. That's the nice thing about this, that you can really, really make money, and you don't have to do any fulfillment. Services like Teespring will do everything for you, basically. All you're going to do is go ahead and upload the design. Now, they're going to recommend that you actually go ahead and hire a professional designer. As I said, you're getting my motivational poster collection, so you can actually use those. If you find some stuff that you want to use there, you can use that as well. But you can also, of course, just go ahead and hire a professional designer. You can. It's like a few dollars on Fiverr. You can hire a professional designer. So overall, a very, very solid method for making money. Let's see if I can give it to Matt to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yes, indeed, you rock. Love the course. Great idea. I saw it a while back, actually, and really liked this concept. And it's even better now that it's been updated for 2020. So, yeah, go ahead and grab this. It's really, really an easy method. And for $15, you really can't go wrong. You're going to love it.